Projection methods. There are two projection methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are select and SelectMany. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what does projection mean. Projection is the process of transforming data from one format into another. This can be useful when you need to manipulate data in a specific way, such as filtering out certain elements or extracting specific properties from an object. For example, we have a data table consisting of different columns, and we want to get the content of a specific column. We can use select method to do that. This means, we selected only the data we need from the data source. In summary, we have a data source consisting of different elements. We set a projection method to return specific elements from the data source. As a result, we get the elements we need in a new form. This is what does projection mean.